The Crock-Pot MyTime 6-quart slow cooker stands out for its schedule-based cooking, automatically adjusting heat and time so dinner is ready when you walk in the door rather than overcooked and drying out. Instead of guessing cook times, you choose the type of dish, how much food you are making, and when you want to eat, and the cooker quietly handles the timing details in the background. For days when you prefer full control, there is a straightforward manual mode that lets you set your own temperature and duration, just like a traditional slow cooker. The wide, flat, digital display is easy to read at a glance and makes it simple to check remaining time or tweak settings without digging through confusing menus. Its 6-quart capacity is well suited to family-sized batches of stews, roasts, and soups, and the removable stoneware insert and glass lid both clean up easily in the dishwasher. The stainless steel exterior looks modern on the countertop, and the overall build feels sturdy enough for frequent, long simmering sessions.